Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your PS4 light bar rainbow. First, understand that the PS4 console itself doesn't offer a native rainbow effect for the light bar. You'll need to use third-party software on a computer to achieve this vibrant customization. We'll walk through the general steps, ensuring you can personalize your controllers look easily and effectively. Get ready to add some extra flair to your gaming setup. To begin, you'll need a few essential items. A Windows PC is crucial, as the primary software will use runs on this operating system. Next, download and install DS4 Windows, a popular tool for customizing your DualShock 4 controller. Finally, ensure you have a USB cable to connect your PS4 controller directly to your computer. This setup allows the software to communicate with your controller. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open the application. You might be prompted to install necessary drivers. Please do so. Then, connect your PS4 controller to your PC using the USB cable. In DS4 Windows, navigate to the Profiles tab and create a new profile. This profile will store your custom settings, including the exciting rainbow light bar effect we're aiming for. It's a straightforward process. Within your newly created profile in DS4 Windows, find the Light Bar tab. Here, you'll see various customization options for your controller's light. Look for an option labeled Rainbow or a similar dynamic color cycle. Select this effect, then save your profile and apply the changes. Your PS4 controller's light bar should now display a beautiful, cycling rainbow of colors, enhancing your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.